Okay, so yeah, here we've got like a little shower tray. It's not a bit shower tray, it's quite a big shower tray, but looks like something's fallen in it during the work. There's a chip that goes right back to the black substrate, and we're going to sort that out. I'll let you have a look, see what you think. Okay, so this is a chip on a resin shower tray. It's gone right back to the black substrate, and we are going to sort that out. Okay, so that is us now completed this repair. I don't know if you can see anything. This is how you look at it in normal use. It's in there somewhere. So yeah, another good repair done. Okay, just to be picky about this now and to demonstrate what can and can't be done, I'm going to use the halogen downlighters in order to find this repair, in order that you can see what we can and can't achieve. Now, just if you can just see there, that is the repair, and this shower tray is a non-slip surface, and in order to sort out that repair I had to flatten it out so that there is a lack of a non-slip surface right at that point. It feels smooth. You can't see it obviously in normal conditions, but if you get the halogen downlighter to reflect directly off it, you can pick it up. It's also a little bit more shiny there. It dulls off a little bit here into the normal tray, so we've put something new on there and it is a little bit more shiny just at that point. So that gives you an idea of what we can and cannot do. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, that chip in the shower tray has now been completely resolved. If I put my head hard against the wall, I can just pick up you know, some artifact of the repair, but that would not be normally seen under normal use. A person wouldn't normally get down on their hands and knees in a shower and crawl up with their head against the wall to look at it. But normally after you've done a repair, sometimes people do that. And we can't achieve invisibility under those conditions. Oh, hi there. Okay, so yeah, we've finished that repair now, and it's totally resolved. You can't see anything, and we're going to show it to the client, see what he thinks.
Yeah, I can't even see where you've done it. Well done.
That's good.